Hello there, lovely people. This is me, Sonam Sunita Atri, and you are watching Art with Freedom. So it's been a long while since I've done anything crafty or anything regarding glue or another craft stuff. So I decided to do something. I really wanted to do something, but winter makes it too much tough because in winter nothing wants to get dried up. Not the glue, not the paint, not the glitter. Nothing wants to get dried up, and that's why it's got pretty much tough. It took me like 2 to 3 days for this to get dried up, but it was fun and I really enjoyed it. And I made these two little cute presents. Look at these! Oh my god, these are so nice and these are so pretty. I can actually use them as a gift to give to someone on urgent basis actually. These are mini gifts and these are so cute, and they are made of the scraps and the junks that I save all the time in my junk boxes. So that's why these are really special and these are really nice. And I really enjoyed making these, and I do hope that you enjoy the video as well. And let's get started. So here is the biggest box of my junk and scraps that I save all the time. I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking for, but I'm sure I will find something useful for my DIY. These are all the scraps that I save all the time. Empty bottles, my headphone boxes, and these old boxes and goodnight refill and stuff like that, cardboard and things. I have a lot of boxes like these which have a lot of scrap I save all the time. This is my favorite box. I decorated it quite well and it always gives me a vibe. I love this one. These are all my pencil savings. I would like to call them my pencil savings, and glitter and glue and gel and all the things like that. Some more scrap boxes. I do have some little handmade things as well, and some things that I save from here and there and little stuff like that. Oh, I found a bangle. Well, I wasn't looking forward to it, but it's nice to find something when you're not looking forward to it, especially. And this is another box. Look at that little gun. I really like that gun. I don't know why I actually saved it. It's not really a use, but I just like it, so I just saved it anyway. I think this is the last box of scraps that I have. These are the boxes from my old jewelry, and these are the leftovers. I decorated a gift box, and that was the leftover. I can use it somewhere, I'm pretty much sure about that. This pink one is my compact from my school time. I have it, I think, as a memory only. So this is a gift I gave to my mom on her birthday years ago, and I think it's time for a redo for this one as well, because it's just getting dusted on the corner. So I thought I'll use it somewhere else. That's why I'm using this one. I'm painting this little circular box thing. In winter it's very difficult to do any crafty things because the paint won't get dried up, and the glue and the glitter, nothing gets dried up, so it was quite difficult. It took me like 2 or more than 2 days actually to get everything settled in, because if I won't leave it to dry, the glitter and the glue thing, they will get mixed up with each other and it would be a mess. So I have to leave it for a longer time to get dried up. So it was a long process for something that's literally so tiny and so small. It took me like 2 days, so yes, it was difficult, but I rather enjoy it because I love doing such kind of work. This is kind of like my forte, so I always enjoy it no matter how much time it takes. So yes, that was the fun part, and I don't really regret it anyway. So I really like, this is the fun part for me, when I mix up the glue in the water and then spread it all over. I do enjoy it, and this whole sparkling thing and all. It's a very, after a long while that I'm doing anything crafty, so it gives me all the old time vibes. So that was really fun for me, and it was like a nostalgia for me, because it's been more than like 8 months since I have done anything crafty at all. So yeah, that was a good thing for me. And yeah, it's done. This thermocol part, I have to pick out small pieces from a piece of thermocol, and then I have to insert it in that hole and then spread it glitter all over it. This is a new kind of glitter I'm trying there. I don't really enjoy it. It was like kind of a messy. I just bought 2 bottles, one the blue one and one is a green one. I just wanted to try them, what kind of things, but I would rather go with the whole glitter tubes. I think they are more comfortable and more worth it than these ones. I didn't really enjoy those ones, so I would go with the glitter tubes and this sparkling thing. Yes, and here I insert a rose. This is, I can go with them combinedly or with them separately. So the mini gifts are ready now, and I am definitely happy with the results. They look so pretty and so cute. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the video.